Hello all. So today we have Mr. Tarang Khanna with us. Tarang is a student of YCIS International School in Shanghai, China, and he's been with us to do his summer internship in the month of July. So over to you, Tarang. Tell us about yourself.
So my name is Tarang Khanna. I'm from Shanghai right now. I'm in grade 12. I came to Hyderabad EduKinect as an intern. Here I was planning to go with working with the Kinect and some robotics, and I really learned a lot. I learned how to program in C#. I had Nitunjay as my mentor, and he guided me through what I should learn, how I should learn it. He gave me all the references, so I learned how using the Kinect, interfacing it with different kind of robots like the Lego Mindstorm kit. I've been working on a thing called shadowing. It's like the robot follows the human's movements. So let's say we have a humanoid robot and it can follow each movement you are doing. What the Kinect does, it can tell you about joint positions, like it knows where your wrist is, where your shoulder is, and you can use that data to form vectors. And from those vectors, you can find out specific angles between two joints. And the robot which I am using is the Robotis Paraloid kit. In humanoid, when you want to teach the robots a new gesture, new moves, how to pick up an object, you have to specify specific angles. But if the human can do it right, and then the robot can do exactly how the human is doing it, and it can learn through that process. It's kind of like machine learning.
Basically what you're saying, you have developed a robot and a system where if you stand in front of the Kinect camera and do some actions, the robot will actually mimic it. This sounds really exciting. It's like a Hollywood movie that we have seen, right? Like the real steel movie. Okay, so what are your future plans after that? You finish the school, you clear up your diploma. Where are you planning to go for college and what degree you are planning to pursue?
So right now in my mind I have the top universities. Right now I'm doing the IB diploma, but then after which I'm going to try and apply in MIT, CMU, top universities for robotics. They have really good materials and really good facilities, which I would love to be a part of their community and the real environment, because that's the environment. The environment is really important.
So that's pretty cool. How did you like EduConnect, the support that was given here? Did you learn something in the office? I know we were not available all the time, but you did a lot of work on your own. Can you tell something about EduConnect and what students like you can actually benefit from us?
EduConnect is a really good place to learn. It's really quiet, and you can concentrate on your work. And if you want any help, you can ask anybody. They will actually help you. And I learned a lot through EduConnect, and it's a real inspiring place. Since right now they're even taking K-12 students to work with them as interns. Not many companies do that. That's a really good opportunity for people like me.
So we have a lot of students that are connected through our programs and through our business and all. Do you want to give a message to them so that they can actually get inspired by the work that you have done? One message for all our guys.
I think technology and programming is really a very important part of our lives. In the future, I think everybody would be technology. We all are almost like cyborgs right now because we rely so heavily upon technology. Everything we have, every stock market, everything is upon technology. I think we can say that we are cyborgs right now. And since we are a part of them, I think it's really important to know how stuff works.
I'm pretty sure most of our guys who are working with us, they want to get deep down into technology and learn cool and realistic stuff and the futuristic stuff that is coming up. So I'm pretty sure a lot of students like Tarang will come to us and start working with us and learn and do a lot of cool and great things. So thank you very much, Tarang, for working with us, and I wish you a great luck ahead in the future. Thanks a lot.